Want to clean up your inbox without deleting your conversations? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to archive chats in Google Messages for web. You'll learn how to move conversations out of your main inbox, find archived chats later, and restore them whenever you need. First, make sure your Android phone is paired with Google Messages for web. Open the website in your browser and wait until your conversations finish syncing. Browse your conversation list and locate the chat you'd like to archive. Remember, archiving removes the conversation from your main inbox, but does not delete any messages. Select the conversation, then open the available conversation options. Choose the archive option, and the chat will immediately disappear from your main conversation list. If you ever need to find an archived conversation, open the navigation menu and go to the archived section. Here you'll see every conversation you've archived. To move a conversation back into your main inbox, open the archived chat, access the conversation options, and choose Unarchive. So the conversation will immediately return to your regular message list. Archiving is a great way to organize your messages without losing important conversations. You can archive older chats while keeping your active conversations easy to find. And that's how to archive chats in Google Messages for web. It's an easy way to keep your inbox organized while still keeping every conversation available whenever you need it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more technology guides, and thanks for watching.